This is not another gadget. It's a professional-grade control interface engineered for creators, coders, and power users who demand more from their workspace. Crafted with a durable aluminum body, the amzn controller combines form and function without compromise. Every detail is made to refine your experience. High-resolution touchscreen, motorized potentiometers for tactile control, vibrant RGB LEDs for visual feedback, and seamless integration with your favorite tools. In a world craving balance between technology and nature, Moss Lab introduces a new marvel, the Moss Echo. Moss, an ancient plant dating back 450 million years, now partners with cutting-edge tech to create a cleaner, healthier environment inside your home or workspace. The Moss Echo is powered by light pole technology, where the LED illumination runs from the root to the tip of the moss, enhancing photosynthesis and giving the plant a vibrant, rich color while naturally improving indoor air quality. In the evolution of wearable technology, Techno redefines the standard with its AI Glasses series, crafted to blend intelligence with precision. Introducing the Techno AI Glasses and Techno AI Glasses Pro, this pioneering lineup offers more than just smart eyewear. At its core is an industry-leading 50-megapixel smartphone-grade imaging system, capturing ultra-detailed visuals in real time, perfect for dynamic urban landscapes or professional documentation. Wind-lashed trails and soaked boots don't mean discomfort anymore. The Hedgehog Go changes the way adventurers stay dry. At just 12.3 ounces, this compact powerhouse tucks easily into any backpack, delivering pro-level drying performance wherever you are. With a blistering 105,000 RPM motor and a punchy 700 watts of output, this dual-use dryer blasts warm, focused air through your hair in under 3 minutes and restores soaked hiking boots in just 12. VelaFlame is redefining ambient lighting with its smart, flameless candlelight technology. This cutting-edge light bulb captures the essence of traditional candlelight, offering a flickering effect that mimics a real flame while ensuring safety and energy efficiency. Designed for versatility, VelaFlame allows you to adjust the light's color to match any mood, from a soft, warm glow to a vibrant burst of color. Its built-in Wi-Fi capability seamlessly integrates into your smart home, giving you full control from anywhere. Step into a new era of mobile content creation with UView, where simplicity meets pro-level performance. Designed for modern storytellers who rely on their smartphones, UView upgrades your filming game without the need for bulky equipment or overpriced gear. From crisp audio to dynamic lighting and steady framing, every detail is optimized to help your phone deliver content that commands attention. Throughout this video, you'll get an inside look at how UView transforms your mobile setup into a compact powerhouse. Drift into undisturbed sleep with a device engineered not just for comfort, but for intelligent support. This sleep innovation integrates real-time snore-stopping technology, gently responding to disturbances before they escalate, promoting smoother breathing patterns throughout the night. It doesn't just react, it listens, adapts, and adjusts. The adjustable height system allows fine-tuned customization for spinal alignment, supporting your neck whether you sleep on your back or side. Elevate your experience with the Razer Pro Click V2, a mouse designed to merge comfort with performance. Engineered for those long work or gaming hours, its vertical design promotes a natural handshake posture, reducing strain on your wrist. The Razer Pro Click V2 doesn't stop at performance. With 18 zones of chroma RGB lighting, it delivers vibrant, personalized lighting that reacts in real time to your gaming. Choose from 16.8 million colors to set the perfect tone for your setup. The Akefly 3-in-1 neck traction system is a powerful solution designed to alleviate neck pain and discomfort. Utilizing advanced technology, this device supports the upper trapezius while providing effective traction for the neck. Its dynamic system gently stretches the muscles, helping to release tension and promote relaxation. Ideal for those experiencing stiffness or soreness, the traction mechanism offers a customizable experience. One of the standout features is the 3-level red light pulse heat therapy, which targets deeper muscle layers. This therapy not only soothes tightness but also improves blood circulation. Every inch of your space deserves a tool as dynamic as your lifestyle. Engineered for maximum utility, this ultra-compact powerhouse isn't just a vacuum. It's your on-demand cleaning companion, emergency air pump, and backup power source in one. At only 1.2 pounds, this sleek device delivers a remarkable 18 kilopascals of suction strength and spins up to an astonishing 93,000 revolutions per minute, conquering dust, debris, and even pet hair from tight corners and car interiors. Tactile precision meets compact utility in this reimagined everyday essential. Crafted for those who value sleek form and smart function, this minimalist wallet stows up to 5 cards without sacrificing durability or access. A fan-style deployment delivers a crisp, satisfying metal click each time you open it, making every transaction feel intentional. Hidden inside its clean silhouette is a pocket-sized multi-tool. A discreetly integrated knife provides reliable cutting power when you need it most. Tackling pet hair, daily dust, and hard-to-reach spaces feels effortless with the Vax Home Pro cordless stick vacuum cleaner. Crafted with a smart pet design focus, it captures embedded fur with its motorized pet tool, ideal for carpets, upholstery, and stairs. Delivering up to 45 minutes of uninterrupted runtime, it provides the freedom to clean without rushing, ensuring every room, corner, and crevice shines. The lightweight cordless body and self-stand feature make pauses in cleaning easy, while its hair wrap resist technology keeps the brush roll free of tangles. The M1 caliber measuring tool for miter saws streamlines the process of cutting, offering a precise and efficient solution for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. This innovative tool eliminates the need for measuring and marking materials before cutting, saving valuable time on the job. By providing accurate measurements, it allows users to make quick adjustments without compromising safety. The Wolfgang 2.0 Titanium Keychain, Lantern, and Pen and Screwdriver is a versatile tool designed to meet everyday needs with precision and style. This multifunctional device seamlessly combines a powerful lantern, a functional pen, and a magnetic bit driver in one sleek titanium body. Weighing just a few ounces, it's an ideal companion for outdoor enthusiasts, campers, or anyone who requires reliability in a compact form. When relaxation demands more than just warm water, the Cabo steps in as a commanding presence in your backyard. Built for indulgence and engineered for year-round use, this spa blends smart tech, robust construction, and thoughtful design into one immersive retreat. Measuring generously with a square footprint, it accommodates up to 6 adults with ease, offering both comfort and space to stretch out. The dual massage system combines 140 soothing air jets with 4 targeted hydrojets, delivering a layered spa experience at 2 adjustable intensity levels. The self-balance chair brings an innovative approach to improving posture and comfort for those who spend long hours seated. Designed to promote proper alignment, it naturally encourages a horseback riding posture that helps maintain balance and reduces strain on the body. Ideal for office workers, students, or anyone who sits for extended periods, the chair offers effortless support and relief. With its unique movement system, the chair mimics the motion of horseback riding, providing gentle back support and stretching the muscles. Tired of bland, store-bought plant-based milk filled with thickeners and preservatives? Step into the modern kitchen with a smarter solution that gives you full control over ingredients, texture, and freshness without the additives. The Smart Home plant-based milk maker transforms raw ingredients into silky, nutrient-rich milk with precision and ease, right from your countertop. This sleek countertop appliance uses high-speed blending and controlled heating to extract milk from your favorite ingredients like almonds, oats, soybeans, and cashews. Tucked neatly in a corner or rolled into place with ease, this compact top-load washing machine redefines efficiency in small living spaces. Whether you're in a tight apartment, an RV, or a dorm, it's built for adaptability without sacrificing performance. Measuring just 18.1 inches wide, 17.7 inches deep, and 31.5 inches tall, this washer fits where others can't. Yet it still packs a punch. Equipped with 5 wash programs, heavy, soft, normal, rapid, and soak, and 3 water level settings, it lets you control every cycle from start to finish. Sound and motion meet in the compact brilliance of the Haloasis A1. This wireless speaker doesn't just play music, it brings every beat to life. Featuring a cutting-edge mini LED transparent display, the A1 visualizes lyrics in real time, turning your favorite songs into immersive visual performances. 3 high-fidelity sound units deliver rich, room-filling audio with crisp highs, deep lows, and everything in between. Built for the bold, Sharks is the micro-knife engineered for those who value precision and resilience in every detail. This isn't a gimmick or a novelty. Sharks is a professional-grade cutting tool shrunk down to a mere 2 inches, ready to punch far above its weight. With a body forged from grade 5 titanium, it resists fire, water, and physical punishment with ease. This is the same alloy trusted in aerospace, now in your pocket. The DS Travel Set combines convenience and security for the modern traveler. Featuring a MagSafe wallet, passport cover, and luggage tag, it ensures your essentials are easily accessible and protected. Designed with Apple's Find My technology, each item in the set can be tracked, giving peace of mind wherever you go. The 365-day battery life means your items remain traceable for an entire year without frequent recharging. Crafted from premium recycled leather, this set not only elevates your travel experience, but also supports sustainability. Experience a whole new level of flying with the DJI Avata 2, where the sky is no longer the limit. This advanced drone offers an immersive experience, letting you feel as though you're in the cockpit, with real-time visual feedback directly through your goggles. The thrill of flight is paired with the freedom of effortless control. No need for complex buttons, simply move your hand to guide the drone, providing a seamless and intuitive experience that even beginners will enjoy. The Darwin MX Pro Smart Digital Microscope offers advanced technology for those seeking precise and detailed viewing. With an impressive 2,200 times magnification, this microscope allows users to explore intricate microscopic details in stunning 2K resolution. Whether you're a researcher, hobbyist, or educator, the 9-inch IPS screen delivers a crisp, clear image, making even the smallest structures visible with incredible clarity. The Rankstone Rank Case elevates the experience of using your iPhone with its thoughtfully designed features. The 3.98-inch high-definition ink screen provides an expansive, clearer display, enhancing the overall visual experience. With a larger screen-to-body ratio, every image appears sharper, while the reduction of pattern noise ensures the display is finer and more refined, offering crisp text and images for optimal readability. The case is crafted with an elegant and sophisticated design, making it not only functional but also a statement piece. Command your workspace with a sleek solution that merges power, organization, and efficiency. The Yafo Prisma 3-in-1 isn't just another desktop gadget, it's a calculated upgrade for anyone who values clean lines and clear surfaces. At just 10.2 inches wide, this space-saving unit consolidates 3 functions into one streamlined system, eliminating tangled wires and desk clutter. At its core, the Prisma delivers wireless charging precision with support for multiple Qi-enabled devices, phones, earbuds, even smartwatches. The Toll Visual X stands as a remarkable advancement in virtual reality glasses, offering an ultra-lightweight design and cutting-edge features that redefine the immersive experience. Weighing just 190 grams, these glasses provide a comfortable, near-weightless fit, allowing users to enjoy extended VR sessions without discomfort. The 4.5K resolution coupled with 360-degree panoramic view ensures crystal-clear visuals. Crafted for those who value precision and security, the Oh My Key offers a seamless blend of biometric innovation and personal control. This isn't just another access tool, it's a fingerprint-secured device built to match your pace, your privacy, and your priorities. With your fingerprint as the key, Oh My Key transforms your fingertip into your identity, giving you one personalized touchpoint for access to what matters most. Built on a foundation of biometric access, Oh My Key eliminates the need for traditional keys or vulnerable passwords. Crafted for professionals who demand clarity, performance, and data integrity on the go, this 7-in-1 USB-C hub with integrated M.2 SSD enclosure elevates your workflow to the next level. The vivid touchscreen offers intuitive control, allowing real-time SSD health monitoring, toggling read-only mode, and fan speed adjustment, all without launching software. Bathed in a charming pastel glow, the Timesgate Classic Pink adds a refined touch to any setup. From the moment it powers on, this elegant clock captures attention with its soft hue and seamless aesthetic. Plugging in the power cord is simple and clean. No clutter, just a streamlined design that blends functionality with style. In just seconds, the display springs to life. Using the top-mounted control buttons, users can switch between animations that match their mood, setting a tone that transforms the room. Unleash barista-level results from the comfort of your kitchen with a foam maker designed for precision and performance. Whether you prefer delicate microfoam or dense, spoonable peaks, this device delivers professional-quality results in seconds. Its dual-whisk technology allows for both thin and thick milk foam, ensuring a flawless pour over espresso, cold brew, or matcha. Built to handle up to 24 fluid ounces, this frother suits both single servings and group gatherings. Feel the difference in oral care with advanced microcurrent technology. The Traumat's microcurrent toothbrush redefines how you clean your teeth, without vibration, without noise, and without damage. Instead of relying on bristles and sonic force, this sleek, lightweight device delivers silent, soothing microcurrents that deeply cleanse the gums and enamel. It's ideal for those with sensitive teeth or gum concerns, providing a calming yet thorough clean you can't get from standard brushes. When shadows fall and streets darken, Flector 360 steps in with unmatched brilliance. This award-winning bike reflector brings 360-degree visibility to your wheels, turning your spokes into safety shields that shine under any beam. At just 0.03,